Hey guys, it's me, Ivy. So, I help out at the senior center today because a gentleman wasn't there because he was tested positive. So, he's quarantined himself. Anyway, so I'm helping out for this Tuesday and next Tuesday. So, yep. Alright. So, I'm going to do my Birchbox because I got yesterday, last night. So, let's get started. So, I have one thing I had to fix in my box, and I'll show you in a sec. So, we got this, I don't know, that. Anyways, and then what I got. If you notice, this part right here is actually from this guy. I had to put it in here because look at that. Look at how much. That's a lot that came out. This guy was leaking. So I had to use a wipe to clean everything and even went through the box. So yeah, it's a hair care. It's a cleansing rinse. It's for your scalp. So yeah, it was really sticky. So that's why it's in here. Anyways, the plastic for that came into this. This is a texturized spray. For that guy, $32. For this is $24. So I'm gonna give that to my sister because I don't use that. Let's go for this. This is a hydrate eye patches. $30 for the full size. So it's just like this. It's a little sticky there. I was also vegan. So it helps with firming, depuff, and brightening as it says on top. That's still sticky. Alright, next is this pillow spray, deep sleep. Full size is $29. It's just this guy. I think I wanted this in my box. I think, but I'm not sure. But it'd be cool to try because I always want to try one of those pillow sprays. And it was a pretty color. And then this guy is the Kiss and Smack. Smack. Whatever. It's just this here. This is the everything. You can put it on your cheeks, cupid bone, bridge of your nose, or eyelids. So it's like you can, if you want some color, so you can use this. So that's the name of the color. That's a pretty color. Let's bust this open. If I can find it. So how is everybody doing? Here we are doing a, ooh, that's nice. That's a very pretty color. Oh, just does this. Wow, that is very pretty. It's very mild. I don't smell anything. That's a very pretty package. Anyways, we have no gyms. Certain stuff are closed. Because of so many cases here in Washington State. So yeah. Anyways, that's all I have to say. A little bit update on that. Okay, so the most exciting thing So I have 5 things that are in my Birchbox. But Birchbox kindly doing something very nice for this month, and they gave us a free doodad. Our free thing. They don't give us very much of free stuff like they used to the beginning I started. Take it out. Oh, so pretty. Oh my god, so pretty. So, I got a J roller. Full size is $12. So this is a free. They gave us free, and I'm like, what? So yeah, I am so excited. Oh, oh God, that feels so good. Now I know how. This will help my under eyes. So you know what this does? Yeah. Does it say? Wait, this is. Oh, it helps a lot of things. Yeah. I think it's a. I don't know what it is. Doesn't say what's the name of this guy is. I'm gonna keep it in here. It's still cold, of course, because you know my room is cold. Especially I got it last night, so it's freezing. Okay, so this is what happened. Like, seriously. And then they put this squishy thing in. They didn't really make sure that it was tight or anything. So, yeah. This box is going to recycling or garbage. I say garbage because of that, and I don't want that to go in recycling because that's damaged. Okay, so everything 20, 24. Yeah, okay. That's why I have my Birchbox and my Boo Boo because of this guy. I'll still use it, but that's a lot of product that came out. So excited for this guy. Oh, that makes me happy. So I always want to try one. Yeah. I hope you guys like what I got in my Birchbox. Hope you're doing well. Being safe and just chugging along. Yeah. I love you guys. Comment, like, and subscribe, and click on the notification bell for more videos. And I know I'm really rough. I'm probably going to take a shower in a few minutes. Anyways, talk to you tomorrow when I get home from work. All right. Bye, guys.